Today on Western Roundup, we look at Jamaica's first child-friendly space created at the Falmouth Police Station. And then we head to St. James, where we speak with residents who are praising the recently held Ministry of National Security's Social Services Fair. And finally, we show off some spaces in Hanover that were recently rehabilitated under the Paint the Town, Paint the City initiative. Stick around, it promises to be good. Children and youth who fall prey to human trafficking now have a child-friendly space designed to help them feel safe while interacting with professionals. The space, which is the first of its kind in Jamaica, is housed at the Falmouth Police Station and will serve as a first stop for children to be examined, interviewed, and referred for appropriate care and other services. The facility was jointly established by the Ministry of National Security and the United States Embassy under the U.S.-Jamaica Child Protection Compact (CPC) partnership. It boasts a child-friendly office area, medical examination facilities, and an interview room.
The opening of Jamaica's first child-friendly space, and I hope that there'll be many more, is a testament to our two governments' continued dedication to combat child trafficking. The space itself is a culmination of 2 years of work by a whole bunch of people and stakeholders under the U.S.-Jamaica CPC partnership.
The U.S.-Jamaica Child Protection Compact CPC partnership is a multi-year plan jointly developed by the government of Jamaica and the U.S. It represents an investment of nearly $6.7 million to help fight child trafficking in Jamaica. Back in St. James, residents from Albion, Norwood, and neighboring communities are praising the Ministry of National Security for the recent staging of a social services fair in the parish.
I wanted to come and help my mommy to look about my brother's documentation, their passport, and birth certificate. I went to the PICA and RGD tent. I went to the JCF, the Heart Trust NTA, and the one on drug abuse. It was very helpful because I could learn more about drug abuse to give more information to my brothers, and for the documentation for my brothers, we could understand what we needed to do in order to get it done.
Stakeholders such as the National Council on Drug Abuse were also on hand offering guidance to parents and were happy for the opportunity to meet the people in the community.
We are happy to be here as a functional partner and to provide services to the community members. We are particularly interested in having conversation with our adults, with our parents, and to really engage them in terms of how their youngsters are growing up, the decisions that they are making, and in terms of how they are making their life decisions.
The police too also seized the opportunity to engage residents in a more relaxed way.
A fair like this is very important because it takes us to our clients, it takes us to the community, it takes us to individuals on their downtime.
Private sector entities were also on site recruiting individuals to fill available positions. The event was spearheaded by the Ministries of National Security and Education and Youth in partnership with the Ministry of Labor and Social Security, the Ministry of Health and Wellness, Heart NSTA Trust, Peace Management Initiative, the National Parenting Support Commission, Passport Immigration and Citizenship Agency PICA, Registrars General's Department RGD, and the Social Development Commission, among other agencies. Finally, in Lucy, Hanover, the town has been refreshed to provide a more aesthetically pleasing environment for locals and visitors. The improvement was done under the Paint the City, Paint the Town project, which was officially launched in the parish capital on April 8. The works, which include sprucing up green and recreational spaces, painting murals to depict parish icons and landmarks, painting of the town's seawall, and erecting a new sign at the Hanover Municipal Corporation building will be continued over time.
We will continue the work to improve and to uplift rural communities right across the country. And it is not the amount that we spend, it is what we get in return. To take some pride in what is being put down in the town. It belongs to you.
Residents are being encouraged to come on board with the project as it will not only serve to beautify the town but will also generate employment for individuals. Repairs and rehabilitation works were also carried out at the Hanover Transportation Center, the Cleveland Stanhope Market, and the town of Hopewell. The Paint the City, Paint the Town is a national beautification initiative to be executed over a 3-year period.
That's all for the program today. As usual, thanks for joining us for Western Roundup, where we take you from the corners of St. Elizabeth to the hilly terrains of St. Anne. Remember to send your feedback to jismobe@jis.gov.jm. Until next time, take care.